For more than 40 years, the biopharm industry has relied on hygienic diaphragm valve technology, which has changed very little. Material improvements have provided incremental advances, but the basic design concept has remained the same. Body, topworks, diaphragm, and 4 fasteners. Although the basic valve design has not changed, industry is demanding improved valve performance. The industry is also striving to extend preventive maintenance intervals and reduce operating costs without affecting drug purity. These demands place a greater challenge on today's valve designs. ITT's breakthrough technology, the Pure-Flo EnviZion, is setting a new standard for the future of hygienic diaphragm valves. The Pure-Flo EnviZion is designed to help customers install, operate, and maintain their valves more efficiently, significantly reducing their total cost of ownership while supporting the industry's goals to increase productivity, improve reliability and cleanability, and reduce operating costs. Today's hygienic diaphragm valves use 4 fasteners to connect the valve body, diaphragm, and topworks. The valve disassembly process is rigorous, and care must be taken when removing and replacing fasteners. Often, diaphragm replacement is complicated by valves that are installed in hard-to-reach locations with limited access. Maintenance professionals in the biopharm industry have confirmed that the average time to replace the diaphragm in today's valve design is approximately 23 minutes. After changing the diaphragm, the fasteners must be evenly tightened to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure a proper seal. These fasteners commonly require a retorque after the system has reached full operating pressure and temperature. Diaphragm replacement is a critical procedure, and improper installation can result in process fluid leaking, system downtime, and increased maintenance costs. The Pure-Flo EnviZion utilizes a stud and key slot concept that allows for quick and easy valve disassembly no matter where the valve is installed. No longer will the challenges of fastener access or handling of loose parts exist, as the fasteners have been eliminated. Diaphragm replacement has been simplified to reduce installation errors, assuring a properly installed diaphragm. No tools required. A simple mount and turn engages the sealing system and provides easy assembly. These design features enable the diaphragm replacement process to occur quickly in approximately 3 minutes. With an innovative bonnet technology, the Pure-Flo EnviZion simplifies diaphragm valve maintenance protocols and significantly reduces maintenance costs. If you compare today's hygienic diaphragm valve with the Pure-Flo EnviZion, it's easy to see the benefits. Today's hygienic diaphragm valves are susceptible to leakage when the seal between the valve body and diaphragm is compromised during thermal cycling, especially for valves with PTFE diaphragms. Hot process fluid flows through the valve during the steam in place and clean in place processes. This hot fluid causes the bolts and diaphragm to expand and contract at different rates. During each thermal cycle, the diaphragms are compressed and the materials take a permanent compression set. This thermal cycle-induced compression set may eventually cause fluid to leak between the valve body and diaphragm. The Pure-Flo EnviZion eliminates the effects of thermal cycling with ITT's cold flow control thermal compensation system. Inside the topworks, the cold flow control provides a constant sealing force against the valve body and diaphragm, maintaining a seal over varying operating conditions and eliminating the need to adjust fasteners after thermal cycling. This innovative technology assures body seal reliability across extreme thermal cycling conditions, reducing maintenance hours, commissioning time, and the potential for system contamination. Although hygienic diaphragm valves are the cleanest valves in the biopharm industry, all of today's valve designs can allow fluid to become entrapped, between the diaphragm and body during thermal cycling or diaphragm flexing. Today's diaphragm valves utilize passive sealing technology, which relies on diaphragm material properties and 4 fasteners to create a seal. The wide range of temperatures and pressures utilized in the biopharm industry constantly challenge the capabilities of the diaphragm materials that are acceptable in the industry. The Pure-Flo EnviZion improves cleanability by reducing the potential for fluid entrapment. The valve body and diaphragm create a seal on the leading edge of the D section. The constant sealing force produced by ITT's active cold flow control thermal compensation system does not degrade over time like all other diaphragm valves that use passive sealing technology. This prevents fluid from getting into areas which would be difficult to clean and possibly leading to process contamination. The Pure-Flo EnviZion was developed with one overarching goal: to reduce the customer's total cost of ownership. Costs associated with validation, installation, operation, and maintenance are reduced with the Pure-Flo EnviZion. System installation and commissioning costs are reduced because assembly of the Pure-Flo EnviZion valve is approximately 3 minutes compared to the industry average of approximately 23 minutes for today's valve. The qualification and validation process is trouble-free because the cold flow control creates a high-integrity seal between the valve and diaphragm to minimize entrapment. For example, in a 500-valve biopharm manufacturing facility, the Pure-Flo EnviZion will substantially reduce installation time by 208 hours and commissioning cost by more than $30,000. Maintenance costs are lower because diaphragms are faster and easier to replace. No special torque procedures or tools are needed. And after thermal cycling, no retorque is required to ensure a proper seal. The cold flow control consistently improves seal performance, which means diaphragm life can be predicted and preventive maintenance intervals can be extended. For example, in a 500-valve biopharm manufacturing facility, the Pure-Flo EnviZion will substantially reduce maintenance labor, time, and cost. Total maintenance hours are reduced by 522 hours, and maintenance cost by more than $78,000. ITT's latest concept in hygienic diaphragm valves, the Pure-Flo EnviZion, is setting a new standard. Experience the future today and reduce your total cost of ownership with the Pure-Flo EnviZion.